Hello and welcome. My name is Igor Kunin. I'm consultant and product manager with focus on usability of PSI Metals. I would like to say a few words about what factory model of PSI Metal solution is and how it can help you to deal with complexity of metals production and meet your business goals. We know from long years of experience that every plant is different. Its unique configuration of production facilities, different levels of automation and the staff's experience driving the production result in different products, qualities and cost of manufacturing. Our customers try their best to utilize large investments in the production facilities as efficient as possible to stay competitive and adaptable to ever-changing market demands. Driving metals production is a highly complex process with a lot of factors and requirements to consider. Many systems, rules and special processes are involved and influence each other. They have to be coordinated properly to achieve the best possible result aligned with the defined business goals. Let me give you some examples. Changed market demands have a direct impact on sales forecasts, which may have a direct impact on planning and scheduling, and so production execution. On the other hand, the identified problems with one of the production facilities may have impact on availability of a range of products and so influence shipping of scheduled orders and due date quoting for incoming requests. The question is how to approach complexity. To cope with the complexity and to be able to optimize, we need a production management system that is aware about everything that is happening in your plant. Therefore, PSI Metal solution allows you to create a digital representation of your real production environment and processes tightly integrated with the real physical world, like a digital twin. We call this digital twin the factory model. Whenever something relevant happens in the physical world in your production, it is immediately reflected in the factory model and vice versa. Hello, Mr. Kunin. Oh, hello. Who are you? I'm your digital twin. Interesting. I suggest you only have a salad today for lunch. Pardon? Looking at your meal plan the last 7 days, checking your current biosignals, it would be good to go for a healthy meal today. You're kidding me, right? Not at all. And by the way, I suggest you go to bed before 9 p.m. today. Why is this? Considering your sleeping time of the last 3 days and the upcoming meetings the day after tomorrow, it is highly advisable to consider a biorhythm and get more rest. Okay, I see. Anything else? Not for the moment. That was strange, but he's right. Considering all the different kinds of information and factors make totally sense. And exactly in the same way, PSI Metal's factory model is continuously improving your production. With its knowledge about all relevant objects, their constraints and relations to each other, together with all relevant events occurring during production, it is capable to understand your production in a much more holistic way and predict what has to be done as next. To catch all these biosignals of your plant, the factory model is tightly integrated with the physical world, so every relevant event is tracked in the system and is used to decide about production routing, quality measures, or other actions to be performed. In addition, the digital twin provides fast information exchange between physically disconnected departments like planning on the other one hand and production on another. Having all this data combined in one place in factory model opens you as our customer a lot of possibilities for optimization and improvement of your production processes and general situation. We call it data-driven production. The data stream coming from different sources can be analyzed in real time and result in intelligent adjustment of the production processes, such as automatically change routing of production orders, or reallocation of material between different production orders, or rescheduling of your production lines, or in case of identified problems with a specific production line, automatic reduction of the production speed, just to mitigate the risks of unplanned downtime and automatic scheduling of required maintenance work. Our factory model is not a newborn baby, but a mature, powerful system based on many years of experience gained from many successful projects. Let me give you some highlights. It contains information about all objects involved in production process and its relations. It is connected to all relevant systems of level 4, level 3, level 2 and if needed, PLCs by means of PSI integration, a highly configurable and reliable PSI-wide standard for integration of third-party systems. All PSI metals module like planning, order addressing, production execution, quality, logistics and KPI share the same factory model and so have access to all relevant information at any time and can directly influence each other whenever actions on different levels are required. PSI Metals uses a state-of-the-art, highly configurable graphical user interface to give users access to factory model tailored to their specific needs. Each PSI Metals module is already delivered with all the screens required in that specific area, but if needed, additional screens can be easily configured without the need of coding or redeployment. We call this concept PSI click design. The factory model also contains configured rules, restrictions and definition of process flows, which are also configurable. And last but not least, it is the basis for any kind of reporting. We have just scratched on the surface what PSI Metals can make possible. If you would like to get more information, please get in touch with us and we will be happy to meet with you and discuss how we can help you to be more competitive on the market. Thank you very much for your time.